Everyone. Myself Vigneshwar. I am doing MCA in Tech Multitech Engineering College. I would like to present my final year project to us. My project title is Node Self-Scheduling Approach for Maximum Wireless Network Lifetime Based on Remaining Energy. This is an abstract for my project. Reporting and power conversions are two major problems in wireless sensor networks, particularly when sensors are arbitrarily deployment in large areas. In such WSN sensors are equipped with limited lifetime batteries and redundantly cover the target area. A major technique to save the energy is to use a wake-up self-scheduling protocol through which some nodes stay active whereas the other enter sleep state. This study presents an original algorithm for node self-scheduling to decide which one has to switch to the sleep state. Hence, the node with a low energy has priority over its neighbor to enter sleep state. A comparison with the existing works is also presented and performance gains are highlighted. Existing system coverage and energy conversions are two major issues in wireless sensor networks, especially when sensors are randomly deployed in large areas. In such WSN sensors are equipped with limited lifetime batteries and redundantly cover the target area. To face the short time of WSN, the coverage problem and some related works are presented. Proposed system optimize energy consumption while maintaining the full sensing coverage. A major technique to save the energy is used to wake up scheduling protocol through which some nodes stay active whereas the other enters sleep state so as the converse their energy. This study presents our original algorithm for node self-scheduling to decide which one have to switch to the sleep state. To verify and evaluate the proposed algorithm, simulations have been conducted and have shown that it can contribute to extend the network lifetime. A comparison with the existing works is also presented and a performance gains are highlighted. System requirements hardware requirements hard disk 40 GB, RAM 512 MB, processor Pentium 4, monitor 17 color monitor. Software requirements front end Visual Studio 2010, core behind C Sharp, backend SQL Server 2005, operating system Windows 7. Modules sender node, data transmission, energy monitoring, receiver node. Sender node a sender is anyone providing information about the change. What a sender says and what a receiver hears are typically two different messages. For example, if a supervisor sits down with an employee to discuss a major restructuring project within the company, the supervisor may be enthusiastic and positive. She may cover all the key messages, including the business reasons for change, the risk of not changing, and the urgency to change the organization to remain competitive. Data transmission. Data transmission may be digital message originating from a data source, for example, a computer or a keyboard. It may also be an analog signal such as phone call or video signal. Digitized into bit stream, for example using pulse code modulation or advanced source coding. The source coding and decoding is carried out by the computer. The data are represented as a electromagnetic signal such as electrical voltage, radio wave, microwave or infrared signal. Energy monitoring. An energy management system is a system of computer aided tools used by operators of electric utility grids to monitor, control and optimize the performance of the generation. The monitor and control functions are known as SCADA. The optimization packages are often referred to as advanced application. In these respects, the terminology EMS then includes the monitoring and the control functions, but more specifically refers to the collective suite of power network application and to the generation, control and scheduling application. Receiver node. Receive ID allows you to use several different nodes at once. Each node remembers its node ID and mode in case of accidental reset. 150 feet range since the node is designed as a low power battery operate application. The chip sleeps most of the time and only wakes up a transmitter when it detects an edge at signal sensor. In operation, the node transmits the number of edges it receives in the hour up to 255 plus 3 analog values. It is an architecture of my project. Data flow diagrams. use case diagram. When the sender sends the message to the receiver, it will controls data transmission, energy monitoring and energy detection, which is used to make a self-scheduling. Activity diagram. Class diagram for my project. It is a main page of my project. It contains server and clients, which is used to open when a server or client. It is an IP address selecting page, which is used to select which client will active at the time. Clients and server list. It contains a server and which are all the clients are active at the time. Server side, which is used to send the message to the clients. Client side, which is receive the message from server when it always stands in sleep mode. When the server sends the message